What's up, YouTube? This is everything we sold the past 2 days, which would be Monday and Tuesday. So far, hasn't been great. Monday and Tuesday's been really slow the past, I don't know, 3 or 4 Mondays. But hey, my name's Larry. I've been a retail seller since 1997 on eBay, full-time. And I sell all kinds of stuff. Anything I can make $1 on, pretty much. We sell a lot of media. We sell autographs. We sell vintage t-shirts. We sell snapback hats. We sell pretty much anything. If you're new to this and you want to learn how to do some things and you want to get some ideas of some stuff to sell, you can watch my What Sold videos. We show you what we sell. And we also do haul videos, and we also do some autograph haul videos. But anyway, let's see what we sold. There's a DVD called Accused at 17. I gotta tell you guys all the time, I see thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of movies a week. I've never seen this movie in my life, ever. And when I saw it, I picked it up. I was like, never looked it up. I was just like, I need this movie. This is a movie I've never had. It was used. Like I said, I paid $1 for it at a pawn shop. And we sold it for $49.99. So I have a good eye for stuff. So if you don't have an eye like I do, you need to start scanning this stuff. If you see something that kind of looks kind of weird or something you haven't seen ever, scan it. Like I said, this was $50. I just made $49 on it. Yeah, actually probably $45 after shipping and fees. But it's crazy. I haven't pulled it out yet. I just brought this from home. I listed it last night at the house, and we sold it today. Sold it for $12.99. We paid $1 for it at a thrift store, and it's sealed. And we sold it for $12.99. Sold a 1954. That's it. This must be it. Sold a 1954 Bobbsey Twins book. I paid 35 cents for this, and I sold it for $12.99. We sold some Elvis country tape, or CD, I mean. Those look like the cover. Oh, we have more. That's why. I forgot how many. If you guys want to check out a video back in, I don't know, sometime in the beginning of the summer, I bought this huge Elvis collection. There was tons of like sealed CDs. There was 9 sealed records and about 90 used records and puzzles and all kinds of stuff. And I paid like pretty much $200 for everything. This came out of that, and yeah, I probably have a quarter in this. And we sold it for this for $9.99. See, we just have a big old mess of jackets over here. We've actually been selling them now, luckily. But I see it sticking out over here. Oh, there's a nice Renegade Skull hat I need to list. But we sold this really nice satin Jeff Gordon jacket. Probably sold it too cheap. But I think like I said, I comped it, and I think I was a little bit high on the comps. I always try to go a little bit higher than most people. And I got $49.99 for it. I paid $5 for it. Sold one of these Figgy jackets for $39.99. We bought a bunch of these at a thrift store, and we paid it's like $2 or $3 a piece for them. We must have bought like $600 worth of these jackets and these pants. They had these kind of pants, and then they had these kind. They look like they've been like painted on. They're really cool looking. They haven't really been selling that well. We maybe sold. It's probably been over a year ago. We've only sold about 3 or 4 pairs of the pants and 3 or 4. I don't know, maybe 5 of these jackets. But they're really cool. I don't know why they don't sell. Might not be a brand people are looking for. They might do better on Depop or something. I don't know. But anyway, we made some money on it. Sold it for $39.99. We paid $3 for it, I think. We sold a Troy Aikman kid's jersey. Maybe we were in this the other. Hey, wait, is that it? That might not be it. Oh, no, let me check. Oh, that was too easy. That was it. And we bought this for about $3 at a thrift store, and we sold it for $29.99. It was Wilson. I'm surprised it didn't go for more because Wilson's a little bit harder jersey to find. But hey, we're happy to get our $30. All right, we just went to the pawn shop and spent $174. And this is what we got. I think we ended up getting about 80 games or so. There's nothing great here, but then we got some movies too. Then we got all these games over here. Like I said, I think there ended up being about 80 games. I got these sealed movies, Porky's, Homefront, Deliverance. All this stuff's on eBay right now. I picked up these 10 sealed Fallout 4 games. The Wrinkle in Time and the Free Willy movie. It's sealed. And the PS4 All-American Racing. I think I listed that one for $44. And the GameCube game, I think we listed for like 20 some bucks. The Dark Riders was sealed. Then we got all this stuff here. Some more PS4 games and Xbox One games. And then we got the Dukes of Hazzard and some Deadwood. Got Criminal Minds back in there. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seasons of Game of Thrones. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, probably every Sons of Anarchy. Then we got some good movies like Thor and Captain America. So I'm really stocked on movies right now. So I'm only buying like pretty much the best titles that I either need or I know I can sell really quick. There's another game that came in that, and there's some more movies over there. But that's what $174 buys you at a pawn shop when you have, good rapport with the pawn shop. Got that movie too, or game too. But that's what we picked up today. See you guys. Have a good one.